Hello, in this video, we'll implement Enum and some Typescript in our conditionally rendered page. If you want to follow along, which I recommend, you can download the code from this Github repository. The link will be provided in the video description below. So in Visual Studio Code, let's go to props-typescript, source app.tsx. Inside that, let's go above this app state. Let's create an enum app state. Okay. Then we put in add membership. Then list membership. Okay. So now let's define a type in this use state. We get this. Okay. So now we'll get errors. So we'll just copy this and then paste app state dot list membership. So now we can also see that there is IntelliSense. Next, let's do the same for the others. App state that is membership. Here. Add membership. Okay. Okay, now we see an error in the membership form. So we go there. Components, membership form. Then here, you can see this props of on cancel. So what we'll do is here, we'll add a new one. So on cancel, which has no parameter, and then we'll return void. Okay. So lastly, let's run the application. Cd props typescript npm start. Okay. Now let's test the application. So add membership. We try to cancel. So it still works. Let's try to add diamond. Submit. And then try to add again and cancel. Okay. So to summarize, Enum is one of those tools that we can use to avoid mistyping values when writing our code. That's all for this video. Please hit like to help me reach out to more people. Subscribe and click notification icon to get my latest update. Comment below for questions and topic you would like to be discussed. Thank you and good day.